Tired of squinting at your phone? Let's get Instagram on your laptop or PC for a much better viewing experience. First, the easiest method: installing the Instagram app for Windows. Click the Windows Start menu button, usually located at the bottom left of your screen. Type Microsoft Store in the search bar. The Microsoft Store app should appear as a top result. Click on it. Once the Microsoft Store opens, look for the search bar, usually at the top right corner of the window. Type Instagram into the search bar and press enter. The Instagram app should appear in the search results. Click on the Instagram app icon to go to its download page. On the app page, click the install button. The download and installation process will begin automatically. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Instagram from your desktop or by searching for it in the Start menu. Alternatively, you can access Instagram directly through your web browser. Open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In the address bar, type Instagram.com and press enter. This will take you to the Instagram website. Simply log in with your username and password. And that's it. You can now browse Instagram, post photos, and connect with friends directly from your laptop or PC. Enjoy the bigger screen. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tech tips.